Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the only way to get PGSharp on iPhone and iPad. The method is very simple, guys. I just installed PGSharp on my iPhone about an hour ago. Let me show you real quick. As you can see, the app works very smoothly. No lag, no crash at all. You can see the icon right here. Just tap on it, and you can see all the features. You can use auto walk, joystick, teleport, and many more options. The setup only takes around 10 minutes, and after that, you can play Pokémon GO with way more freedom. But before I show you every step, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing you need to do is grab your phone and open your browser, then search for tap2apps.com without any spaces. Make sure you type it exactly like I'm showing on the screen. Once you're there, search for the app and tap on it. After that, scroll down and click Get. The installation process will begin. It might ask you to complete a couple of steps, but don't worry. Just follow the instructions to complete them. Once you're finished, head back to the home screen. Now find and open Settings. You should see a new option show up called Profile Downloaded. Just tap on it and you'll see PGSharp appear. Now, tap Install to install the app. After that, head back to the home screen and you should see the app right there, ready to use. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any help, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.